trick.
But, where am I?
Who are you? Me? I'm your worst nightmare.
Where am I?
In my room.
Why did he drug me? Or what do you want to do with me?
Well, we want to make the earth smile.
What do the drugs do?
Well, that drug so happens to make you the ultimate human being. Indestructible and super strong. Now, I just feel...
What makes you think that I will help you?
Because if you don't, I will give you a massive overdose, more than the one you just had, so that it will kill you. Because every single one of these bullets are full of the drug.
Can you just like brainwash me instead of threatening me?